Welcome to this explainer on NotebookLM. Today, we're going to uncover how this incredibly powerful tool can completely revolutionize your workflow as an educator or a researcher. Seriously, if you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by the sheer volume of literature you need to process, or if you're just looking for smarter, faster ways to differentiate your classroom materials, you are in exactly the right place.
So, here is our quick roadmap for the day. First, we'll meet your new AI assistant. Then we'll master its core features, supercharge your research, and transform your teaching. Finally, we'll wrap up with some essential tips for AI success. Let's get into it.
Section 1. Meet your AI assistant in setting up a controlled AI environment.
I absolutely love Punya Mishra's analogy here. He calls AI a smart, drunk intern. Think about that for a second. This intern is incredibly fast, super eager to please, but they're also prone to making very confident mistakes. You know, AI doesn't replace you. Actually, it just amplifies your expertise. It completely relies on you to catch those inevitable little inaccuracies. You bring the expert domain knowledge, the AI brings the raw processing power. It's a truly symbiotic relationship.
Now, we're all pretty familiar with general language models like ChatGPT or Claude, right? They draw from this vast, sometimes totally unverified training data across the open web. But NotebookLM is different. It was originally designed as a closed corpus environment. That means it literally only references the specific materials that you upload, your trusted PDFs, your personal research notes, your meeting transcripts, the whole shebang, but only your shebang.
What this does is create a highly reliable, controlled AI environment. It's basically like having a dedicated research assistant who has only read the exact syllabus and source materials you handed to them. You control exactly what the AI knows, ensuring its responses are tethered directly to the sources you already trust. No wild guesses.
All right, moving right along to Section 2, Mastering Core Features, specifically deep research and image to insights. So Google recently rolled out this fascinating update called Deep Research, and it actually shifts the platform just a bit beyond its strict closed corpus origins. While NotebookLM is definitely strongest with your own uploads, Deep Research lets the AI systematically scan the open web. It browses hundreds of sites to surface broader context and help you spot gaps in the current conversation happening around your topic. Let's trace how this actually changes early inquiry. First, the AI scans the web for your query. Second, rather than just dumping a messy list of links on you, it organizes what it finds into a highly structured report. Third, it provides an annotated list of sources so you can clearly trace exactly where an idea came from. And finally, you get to play the expert judge again. You decide which of those sources actually deserve a closer look and pull them straight into your notebook. It's just a fantastic way to survey the landscape before committing sources to your actual literature review.
But hey, what about when your sources aren't digital yet? Say you're at the library, away from your laptop. You can just use the Image to Insights feature. You literally snap photos of physical textbook pages, printed graphs, or even your messy handwritten notes. The AI reads the image, pulls out the key ideas, and instantly makes them searchable and actionable. That quick photo immediately becomes something you can query and build upon. Section 3. Supercharging your research by turning your library into an active expert.
Think of this tool as Zotero on steroids for your daily research tasks. Doing a literature review? Upload dozens of papers and ask the AI to summarize common methodologies or highlight conflicting results across all of them at once. Looking for a research gap? Ask it to identify understudied areas. You can even use it as an ultra-fast peer reviewer. Upload your own rough draft and ask it to find weaknesses in your arguments before you submit it for actual review. It's a real game changer.
NotebookLM can also visually organize complex data. It can generate a mind map directly from a folder of literature, mapping out key themes, subtopics, and theoretical frameworks. It allows you to see hidden connections at a single glance. It basically takes a massive pile of dense PDFs and gives you this beautiful, structural bird's-eye view of your entire research landscape.
Okay, let's jump into Section 4, Transforming Your Teaching, from classroom prep to differentiated learning.
You can rapidly supercharge your prep time by creating a notebook just for lesson planning. You can upload your curriculum standards and let the AI generate diverse assessment questions, multiple choice, essay prompts, whatever you need, all mapped perfectly to different levels of Bloom's taxonomy. Even better, upload a single core reading and ask it to instantly generate differentiated variations for advanced learners or students who might be struggling. It modifies the reading level without losing the core concepts.
It also takes the heavy lifting out of creating study materials. The tool can instantly turn a huge folder of, say, 17 uploaded sources into a comprehensive, interactive deck of over 100 practice flashcards. You don't have to manually extract key terms anymore. The AI identifies the absolute most important concepts and formats them into ready-to-use question and answer pairs for your students.
Finally, Section 5, Tips for AI Success, covering creative outputs and management rules. Beyond just text, the accessibility features here are wild. You can transform a dense 40-page reading into a highly conversational audio overview. This is perfect for learning during your commute or accommodating students with dyslexia. On the flip side, video overviews allow you to take your research scripts and turn them into engaging, visual presentations. That's an amazing asset for academic conferences or when you need to share complex findings with non-academic audiences in a really digestible way.
But this brings us to the golden rule. While this tool summarizes brilliantly, there is absolutely no shortcut around doing the first reading yourself. Remember our smart, drunk intern analogy from earlier? You cannot supervise the intern if you don't know the material. You have to be the ultimate judge. Always, always complete that foundational reading to form your own baseline understanding, and then let the AI help you synthesize and retrieve that info at lightning speed.
So now that you are fully equipped to manage your own brilliant, dedicated digital research intern, you have this incredibly powerful new workflow at your fingertips. Whether it's mapping out a massive literature review, designing differentiated lesson plans for your students, or turning dense papers into an audio podcast for your commute, what will your new AI assistant help you discover first? Thanks so much for joining this explainer, and happy researching!